We are quite happy and we are welcoming it. In fact, like me, I'm sure the entire banking industry should be welcoming it. It's a little bit of a challenge. It may be for the foreign banks, with the branches about 20, because they are not tuned to covering these, this priority sector segment, but they will have to work out their strategy, how they go about it. But even there is also a talk of the priority sector lending certificate. So the banks which have the required infrastructure to lend to these segments, most of the public sector banks have here, they will not find it difficult at all. In fact, by RBI guidelines, maybe these banks can do more, and whatever they have extra priority sector lending can be offloaded by way of a securities to the other bankers from the private segment or from the foreign banks, for them to meet the requirements. So overall, it is a win-win game for all of us. Well, the thing is the lending certificate, which I said, PSL lending certificates, needs to get required framework, needs to be put in place, and infrastructure needs to be put in place. I'm sure that now they're trying to accept the recommendation and go ahead, it will fall in place.
They have now introduced specific targets for small and marginal farmers and micro enterprises. The first phase of achieving this is next year, and thereby the ultimate target by 2017. Do you think banks will have to build up this book as early as possible if they have to reach 2016 target?
The banks are building up these portfolios, but there is always a little bit of a reluctance to lend to these segments wholeheartedly, because we also find it difficult to get their credit history on time when we want to. So then there is a little bit of shyness on the part of the bankers to lend to this. But nevertheless, this 8% we have already achieved. As on today, if you really see the 8% for marginal farmers or small farmers, we have already done it. And micro enterprises, we have already done up to 10%. So we have no issue as such on both of this. But then RBI, by specifying the target, earlier there was no target fixed for micro enterprises, but it was only in terms of number of accounts.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.